meteorologist Caroline Carruthers with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
Well, good morning to you. Happy Tuesday. Today is a News 5 Weather Aware Day. It's been a little bit since we've had a Weather Aware Day, and it doesn't mean you need to be scared. It just means you need to stay on top of the weather because we do have that chance for scattered storms today, and some of those could be strong or severe. So we'll start with the big picture of things here. We've got a system that is currently back off to the west. You see a big cluster of thunderstorms, severe thunderstorms, moving from Mississippi into north and central Alabama. That looks like it's going to pass to our north. What we are keeping a close eye on are these storms starting to bubble up north of New Orleans and near Slidell. They will start to move into our Mississippi counties in the next couple of hours here, and they're already severe. We've got a tornado warning attached to a couple of those storms. So that's kind of what we're going to be keeping a close eye on over the next couple of hours, and then we'll see the storms spread throughout the area throughout the day today. Right now, just seeing a couple of showers near Jackson up towards Thomasville as well up the Highway 43 corridor, but it does look like those are not severe, just some rain showers. We'll see the storms move in later this morning. So let's time that out for you here. As we move throughout the rest of the morning, we'll continue to see those storms start to move in the next couple of hours. I would say likely between 7 and 8 a.m. we'll start to see them move into our western counties, and that's where they'll stay at least through around mid-morning. 10, 11 o'clock north and west of I-65 is where we're expecting to see these storms. Now you see it's not a solid line of storms. It is scattered across these areas here, which means not everyone's going to see rain today. Not everyone is going to see severe weather, but that chance is certainly out there. It's kind of a unique situation where it's not that solid line of storms that's moving through. It's kind of waves of showers and thunderstorms that we're tracking here. So this is 11 a.m. By the time we get to later on today, we are going to start to see the storms spread across the News 5 neighborhood as we move into the afternoon and evening hours. But you see still scattered in nature, still hit or miss. Not that solid sheet of rain that we typically see with a cold front. As far as the time frame goes, this is 6:30 p.m. seeing another wave of storms starting to move across the News 5 neighborhood. It does look like this one will be along the cold front. Cold front will be passing through, and then most of the storms should be out of here by the time we get to midnight tonight. So kind of a long duration situation that we're talking about here, and it'll be waves and kind of scattered across the News 5 neighborhood. As far as the severe weather threat goes, level 2 out of 5 in our northern counties. This means scattered severe storms are possible. Level 1 out of 5 for the rest of the News 5 neighborhood, and this means isolated severe storms are possible. So just a step down for the rest of the News 5 neighborhood here. So overall, a low-end severe weather risk, but it is not zero. Damaging winds, hail, and a brief tornado possible in all of these areas. Overall today, about a 60% chance that you need that green and Phillips umbrella. And after all of this moves out, we're going to see a significant cool down for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. So the high today is 80 degrees, so well above average for this time of year, 12 degrees above average for this time of year. We'll go back down close to average for your Wednesday as that colder air starts to filter in, but it really settles in for Thanksgiving and Black Friday. We're talking about a freeze possible Friday morning. Highs will be in the 60s, lows will be in the 30s and 40s. So kind of wrapping it up here, your key takeaways as far as this week goes. So this morning, the storms are going to start to move into our western counties, north and west of I-65 this morning. They'll spread throughout the rest of the News 5 neighborhood this afternoon and evening. They'll move out by midnight tonight, and yes, we do have that chance for severe weather all day today. And then for the rest of the week, we see that much colder air move in for Thanksgiving. You can see all of this here on your extended forecast. Weather today, we dry out early Wednesday. Thanksgiving looks sunny but chilly, so does Black Friday. Our next system looks to move in late this weekend and early next week.
Stay with us now. Coming up next.